don't forget, your candle has to close under this support, and this is a technical analysis. Let's go to see where we are now. I put my stop loss. Yesterday I opened my position here because on a 1 hour time frame or 4 hour time frame, I saw we lost this resistance on a 4 hour time frame, or I could say 1 hour time frame, and I opened my position here after this wick, and I put my stop loss under this a few wicks and under this candles, and as you can see, a few times came to this level and I put my stop loss. I don't have any stress because as I have my stop loss anywhere the market wants to go, then I would be safe. I put $500 in this account. I trade with $10,000. I put $500, but I risk with $10,000. And from the day I start, as you can see, $75 I'm minus now in this position. Okay, in last a few days, at the day I started, it was 20th of May, I started at the first position. I got 8% profit because each one of my position I risk 1% on $10,000. I got 8 times profit. The next one I lost it, the next one I earned, next 3 times I lost it, and then again I took 2 times, and now I'm in profit 8, 9 and 2. It would be 11, and 3 times, and 4th I lost 4 times and I earned 11 times. It means I'm positive in 7 times. Right now, as you can see, I put stop sell here because I think it is on an AVAX, because I think the market, if it's going to down or if it's going to up, I would be with my position here and there for AVAX. Let's go to Bitcoin to show you where we are. I told you on a daily time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame. We are still in this range. We are still in this sideways, but I put this trend line. This trend line is coming from long way ago, and this is my weak English. It's okay, and yeah, this is come from long time ago, and this is for 4 hour time frame. As you can look, we are above this support. 66,000 is a very, very strong support. On this level, we are still above this $66,000. And if we lose it, we have to go. It's not we have, but we expect the market to go and see the $60,000. All right, then I will wait for it, and now you can see with a big and massive and a strong, with a very high volume of the seller, we came to this level, and it shows us the seller are more stronger. When we wanted to go to this level, we wanted to go to back to this level, we had a very strong candle as well for buyer, but we couldn't break this resistance. If we go back to this level, if we can break this resistance again and we pass this level, we can say, okay, let's go, let's see, can we break this level or not. All right, now what we should do on a daily time frame, don't forget, you should open your position after this level, or you should open your position for sure. If you saw the daily candle break this support, then you can open your position with here with this stop loss and go for $60,000. all right, but don't forget, your candle has to close under this support, and this is a technical analysis. It is an art. It is not fact. It is not gonna be happen for sure. You have your own strategy, and when you see you have a confirmation, then you open your position. You open for short, you for long. This is what we do. All right. Then when we have a stop loss, nothing to be worried. This is our business, and business has to have a utility. The business has to have a staff, and you should pay for your staff. And for going to lower time frame, for 4-hour time frame, as you can see, as you can look, if we came to this level, you see this resistance, we couldn't break this resistance, right? In 4-hour time frame, as you can see, this high made this low. Then we should pass this level of resistance. Then we can say we have a higher high, and after here you can open your position for long, right? Then you don't need to be worried. You don't need to be in FOMO. Now I bring up this level of my resistance to here, and if I go to lower time frame, then my resistance be here in here, and next time I will check I should pass this level, and then I can say, okay, now we are in an uptrend for lower time frame, like a 1-hour time frame, like 4-hour time frame. Then I can decide about. If you ask where does it come from, this trend line, I put it here. From here, these I can see is a really good reaction on it. When we broke this trend line, we came to the next support, and we came back, and we have a retest to this trend line. And now for Bitcoin, when you want to open your position for short or long, you should see which coin the power is more powerful in the market. The Bitcoin is more powerful on that moment, or the Ethereum. In a total, I know Bitcoin is the king. Bitcoin is doing everything in the market, 50%, 55%. Let's see. For right now, 55% 0.39 is belong to Bitcoin. It means the dominance of Bitcoin is 55.39% of the market, of the all the market. All right, I know that. But now, for example, for now, I check the Bitcoin dominance and Ethereum instead of Bitcoin. Ethereum Bitcoin, not Ethereum USDT. I check Ethereum Bitcoin to see which one is more powerful. If the Ethereum is on a higher, making higher high and higher low, then I can see the Bitcoin is, the Bitcoin power is lower than Ethereum just for now. It means Ethereum instead of Bitcoin is more bullish or more bearish. Okay, then I decide which one I can go and open my position. It's better to open position on a Bitcoin or Ethereum. If they increase, the price of both of them increase, most of the time 99% they are in the same way. But which one is going faster, which one is increased faster, then I open my position on that one. Okay, now let's get back to Bitcoin. For Bitcoin daily time frame, open your position here, and for long stay for this level. And after breaking this resistance as a trend line resistance, and this resistance as a here, you can open position for long, for 4-hour time frame, for 4-hour time frame short, for 4-hour time frame for long. For both of them, you can open your position for short or long. As you can see, the second position for AVAX has open. I go and I put 35% of my position to close on 28.508. Okay, you ask why this is. I should explain it later on a risk reward ratio plan. I say quantity, I say 35%. I want to close 40% on the price is 28.0503. then price is 28,503, and then I say close. Then I say okay, confirm, and I put my stop. I put a profit, save profit, my save profit to here, because if I close 35% of my position here, then, or 40% that I put my stop, put my profit here, then I close 40% or 35% of that. Then if it's get back to this level and I receive a stop loss, or I got a stop loss, then I will lose nothing. This position I risk just 0.5%. It means if I lose on an Ethereum one, on a long position, on this one that I open, I put 1%, but on this position I put just 0.5%. If I lose this position, I just lose 0.5%. Then this is what and how I trade. Now let's go to Ethereum and see where we are. We are in a very, very good place. We couldn't break this level, and still I'm waiting for a long position. If I got a stop loss in this level, I will wait for here for, as you can see, is amazing. It is amazing area for long position. Then I can open my position for long, and then I go with it. All right, and I checked. I received news that someone spoke about the ETF of Ethereum start of 1st of July. Then it didn't. Many company didn't accept it or didn't confirm it. But just here, and I think we will going to the high prices, because the Ethereum couldn't take back the ATH of the Ethereum, and then I'm a bit bullish on Ethereum for now. In a long term, for sure I am, but for now I think the Ethereum is going back and going to take to see the prices for like at least 4,100 to have a new ATH. And now let's see what's going on. For short, you can see something here. It is a really good area for short position, but I'm not going to say go and open your position for short on Ethereum. It's better to open position on other altcoin like Bitcoin, like AVAX, like other altcoin that are a bit have a less power instead of Ethereum. And this is what it's a good area for support. You can open your short position here, and long for sure open your position for long on Ethereum here. Don't forget, if I get a stop loss again, I will open my long position here. See you later. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow.